Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is July 27th, 2020. And yeah, my profits for today is $197.40. We absolutely killed it. We killed it today. You know, in the past, like I've stressed out before, is we're all about the process. So we're just gonna go into the process on how I actually came up with this profits for today. And yeah, let's get into it. So today we're actually trading Amazon, which is what I usually do, ticker symbol AMZN, and this is the Thinkorswim platform if you haven't noticed. And yeah, so let's just let me just open up here my my trade. So today was just absolutely insane. If we take a look at /NQ, which I'll show in a second, we can see that the overall market was actually pushing up today, which means that Amazon itself was gonna have a pretty great, decent morning as the market opens. So what I did was I actually got in at this candle bar. So again, remember, we wait until we have a sell-off first. Usually I wait until there's a sell-off, or usually it pushes up and then it sells off, but in this case it sold off first, and then I got in right here at 30.49. We're doing 10 shares here, and then we wait until the push up. Again, I didn't get in at the absolute bottom because we can see that it's 30.35 here. I waited until we had a confirmation for it to actually push up over this EMA line right here. So once I saw that this candle was pushing up, I got in 30.49, 84 cents, and then I sold out. For this first trade, I probably made like $102 or something like that. And then I noticed that the volume, if you can see, the volume kept coming up, and then I got back in again here. So pretty much only 3 trades for today. Got in here at 30.84, and then I sold at 87, and then again got in again 89, and then I sold at 92, which is just absolutely insane because we can see that I pretty much timed it, whereas we knew that it was going to top out. I sold at 92. I was actually going to get out at 96. I thought that was just pushing it too much. On my second trade, I was at $160, and I was like, the consistency kept going, whereas we can see the volume spike right here. So you have to make sure you look at all of that. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did, and sold out right before it peaked. And then you can absolutely see that it came crushing down. Like, it just came down. It had a little reversal right here, but it did not held, and then it came back down again. Again, the reason being why this happened is because, one, we have pretty much earnings coming up. So what tends to happen is there's either a pre-earnings sell-off. If you can take a look here at the 180-day, it's usually this earnings sell-off, or right now we're pretty much in consolidation period right here. So even if we take a look here at the /NQ, which is the overall market, we can see that it's absolutely, it had a nice rebound right here. This reversal here was pretty much really good, pushed up, and now we're above this EMA line right here, which is just absolutely insane. So now we have to wait and see if it actually holds, or if we're going to push again to higher highs. Yeah, so overall I had a pretty amazing day today. How about you guys? My profits for today, again, it's $197.40. This is not something that I do often, but once the opportunity presents itself, you have to absolutely take advantage of it. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section down below, how did you guys end up doing today? What was your profits like? Had you take a loss, like what was that like as well? Let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, so that's my video for today, and make sure to smash that like button, hit that notification bell, all that good stuff. Man, you know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.